We have the power control center for this house. Hi YouTube, daily video log. It's a rainy, boring day. No power for me today. I got 4,000 watts of solar panels out there and another 5,000 to charge the battery. But I mean 500 to charge the battery. But 5,000, that's a lot of panels. But yeah, I got over 40 100-watt solar panels out there, and I'm not turning a bit of power today. It's just rainy. Nothing. Oh, you know, maybe 50 watts, maybe 100 now and then, but as long as it's raining, I ain't turning any power. I got another camera the other day. It's not a GoPro. I'm recording on my GoPro. This is a knockoff. It's a wireless too. So far, so good. It's performing almost as good as the GoPro. We'll just have to play with it, see what it does. Trying to do a video log every day. You know, I'm watching YouTube, my buddies on YouTube, watching theirs. So, and they basically do a daily log. So that's what I'm doing. Was gonna go out to the hippie shack today and go through it. We had to go to the doctor's office yesterday and the doctor's office tomorrow. More prescriptions, more of this. I'm getting tired, but everything's looking good. But anyway, just thought I'd do a little video log. And I'm having problems with the Wi-Fi on my GoPro. Well, wait a minute. I'm attached today. Okay, finally. Oh, that's good. And I think my wife's up, which is good. She's been asleep all day. So, I guess I'm making this a short video log. I just try to keep you guys posted, you know. But I'm not turning any power. I'm going to post a video of the power room with all the grid tie inverters and charge controllers and stuff. So, alright, later.